In this video, we are going to cover high disk or CPU usage by Superfetch. Superfetch is technology by Microsoft integrated into operating system after Windows Vista. It has two purposes. One, it decreases the time required to boot and make sure that the application you open frequently loads more efficiently. It also takes timing into effect and analyzes your usage patterns to adjust itself. Superfetch preloads most of your used applications into the main memory, not only based on your usage patterns, but also when you use them. For example, if you have the same routine each morning, Chrome, weather, news, Superfetch will preload these applications into the memory each morning. If your evening routine is different, it will have a different loading routine for the evening. Sometimes Superfetch poses a problem to the users when it consumes a lot of resources, that is disk or CPU, which makes the computer laggy and causes delays. In this video, we are going to cover how to disable Superfetch and check if the problem goes away. So first thing is how we can disable Superfetch. Press Windows and R key, type devmgmt.msc. Once you are here, expand the category of IDE ATA/ATAPI controllers. Here you'll see standard SATA AHCI controller. Right click on it and open its properties. Navigate to driver tab, click on driver details. If you find storahci.sys stored in the path of system32, it confirms your computer is running the inbox driver. Proceed to next step, that is to close the driver file. Navigate to Details tab, and from the drop down, select Device Instance Path. Right click on the value and select Copy. Close this window. Press Windows and R key, type regedit, click on yes if you get a USC prompt. Go to computer, then H key local machine, system, current control set, enum, PCI, from here we need to find the controller, and how we can find it is the path that we copied from the device management window. Let me open a notepad, bring up the string here. So this one ends on 2088, so let me find it. It's REV07E015AD and REV_00 07E 15 AD, and so this one is the one we are looking for. Almost all the values same. Yep, the values are same. Expand this thing. There should be a random number. Expand this one. Expand device parameters. Expand interrupt management. Then click on message signaled interrupt properties. Now, once you are here, double click on the entry MSI supported. Now you need to change its value from 1 to 0 and then save the changes. Once you have made the changes, press Windows and R key, type services.msc, locate Superfetch here, open its properties, click on stop, and then select startup type as disabled. So once you are done with startup type selection as disabled, click on apply, OK, and then reboot your computer. Once you reboot your computer, go back to Windows and R key, type regedit, go to, let me close all these. We need to go to computer, H key, local machine, system, current control set, control, session manager, memory management, and prefetch parameters. Try to find a key that says enable prefetcher. Open its properties, change value from 3 to 0, and then save the changes. Reboot your computer and check if the problem gets fixed. The possible value for the prefetcher for enable prefetcher are 0 for disable prefetcher, 1 for application launch prefetching enabled, 2 is for boot prefetching enabled, 3 is for application launch and boot prefetching enabled. You can also incidentally change the values of enable superfetcher right underneath the key we just amended. The possible values for enable superfetcher are 0, 1, 2, and 3, which are now given on the screen. It is recommended that you set the value as 0 to disable the superfetch completely so we can check if the problem gets fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.